Okay, so this is the paper we're going to be starting with. Depending on the size of the paper you start with will determine the size of your quilling strip when you're done. So this is a size of paper and this is another size of paper. So I'm going to be doing the two so that you can see the differences. All you need to do is get your broomstick, come to the edge of the paper like this, fold it over the broomstick, make sure it's very tight, and as you are folding, ensure that the broomstick can still move in and out from the paper. So keep folding, make sure you keep checking that your broomstick can still move freely, because you need your broomstick to move freely in your paper. So once you have it in like this, it's locked down like this, then you can remove the broomstick and roll this to finish. So once you get to the edge of the paper, that is where you need to apply just a drop, just a small dab of glue, not too much, so that your work doesn't become very messy. You can blow it to quicken the speed of the drying up process. So now I have my first quilling line. So I'm going to do the same on the longer size of paper. Then you can see the difference between the different sizes of paper that we are using. Just come to the edge, pick it up, roll it around your stick, and don't forget to check that it is moving. Now if you don't check that it is moving and it is stuck in the paper, it will deform your shape of the quilling when you're done. So check that it is moving freely, like I'm doing. Check that it is moving freely, and then once you see that it's almost going to the end of the stick, you can remove the stick. The stick is just to actually guide the shape of the curve that you want to have from your quilling. So look at it, it's going in, and the same thing. Once I get to the end, then I can come in here and put some dab of glue all around the edge to finish up. So that is it. I have my first line of quill, and that is what I have done, and we have a lot of it right here. So this will take us to the next step of our quilling design today. Now that we have our strips, our paper strips of the quilling in different sizes, now we need to decide what we want to do with it. If we're going to be making jewelry with it, then we can just make one and roll it into circles. But if we're going to be making, for example, big designs like this, then we may need to join these paper strips to make it a bigger form. So I'm going to be showing you how to do the simple singular quilling and how to make it bigger, like this big one that we have right here. So take your barbecue stick, get your first line of paper quilling, come to the edge like this and roll it around your quilling like this. And when you are rolling it, ensure that it can move freely like we did the other time. Roll it around, remove the quilling, and then wrap it round. So you keep wrapping, and now if you are doing beadwork, each of these is enough. But if you want to make it very big and bold like this, all you need to do when you get to the edge is get another strip, put some gum at the end of the first one, insert the last one into the new one, let it go in, all the way in, like this. We can change the direction if it's not going in easily. Put it in and let it gum. Can you see? I have joined the first one to the second one, and then you continue wrapping. So it makes it bigger, and that is how you keep on building it until you get. Can you see that this big one is different from the singular one from just one paper? So that is how you keep joining it. If you want it to be bigger than this, then you put the same glue at the tip again, get another paper, tuck it right into it to form another line, and then you keep wrapping. And this will give you the desired big, the size that you need. And once you're done and you know that the size you want is okay, then you can put your glue at the tip like this and glue it down and wait for it for like 1 minute until it has a very good grip, and you have your perfect quilling size for whatever design you want to do. But since today I'm going to be showing you how to make jewelries like this, we're going to be using the singular form, which is this. So once you are done with this, you have two options. You can paint it like I have done here in whatever color or design that you like, or you can use it in the natural color like this one. So here is another pattern of the same earring, but this time around this one is not colored at all. You can see that this one has been painted into yellow and black, but this is in its natural newspaper color. So you have the choice to either paint it or use it plain. So if you're going to be painting it, all you need is an acrylic color like this, and get your design like this, and you can paint. You can dab your paint on it like this using your fingernails like I'm doing. And if you're going to be using different color like I've done now, you can see the top form is yellow, and I can pick another color and add it to the side. So this is my top color. I can change my fingernails and then dab another color to the edge. That way I have two color, and that is how you have all these different color that I have here. And then once you're done painting, you leave it to dry. So once it is dry, your work is almost ready. So you place it and you wait for it to dry. Once it is dry, you have something like this. And so the next thing you need to do is to string. So you will ask yourself, what do you want to use to string it? You can use wire to string, or you can get a jewelry rope like this to string. So today I'm going to be using both wire and jewelry rope to string, and I'll have my bead for the necklace and my bead for the earring. And for this project, you can also decide to either use this alone, or you can add more accessories to it. These are wooden beads, so you can add wooden beads to it if you like, or you can use it without the wooden beads. This does not have any wooden beads, and this one has wooden beads. It's your choice. Don't forget, this is about creativity. It's about making your design as you like it, or as your customers have asked for it.